This is the GARDENA Robotic Lawnmower. On the underside of the mower is the cutting disc with 3 razor-sharp blades. In the back is the main switch. The mower has a large stop switch that also opens the hatch. Under the hatch you will find the display and keypad for all menu settings. There is also a knob for adjusting the mowing height between 2 and 5 centimeters. In this window you can view the current mowing height setting. For the safety of people and animals, the mower is equipped with lift, tilt and collision sensors. The mower also has an alarm that can prevent theft.